In this video, I will show you how you can manage the SIM card manager on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection settings, just tap on SIM Manager. And after you do that, you will find all the SIM management settings of your Samsung phone. First of all, under SIM cards, you will find all the SIM cards which are inserted on your Samsung phone. And from here, you can turn off a selected SIM card. For example, I will turn off SIM 2. As you can see, only one SIM card is working, and you can enable any disabled SIM card from here. After that, you will find the option to add an eSIM. Now, if you want to add an eSIM to your Samsung phone, just tap on the plus icon over here, then follow the instructions on the screen to set up your eSIM. And after the eSIM section, you will find the preferred SIM settings. Now, if you want to set a specific SIM card for calls or messages, you can do that over here. For example, if you tap on call, and from here you can select a specific SIM card to be the default SIM card for all your calls. You can do that from here. And also you can select a specific SIM card for your messages. And the same goes with the mobile data. Now for the calls, you have one extra mode, which is Ask Always. And if you select Ask Always, your Samsung phone will ask you always which SIM card you want to use for your calls. After that, if you scroll down, you will find the option for data switching and backup calling. Now, if you enable this toggle, your Samsung phone will automatically switch between the SIM cards if the default SIM card is not connected to the internet. Now, after that, finally, you have the option for more SIM settings. Now, over here, you will find other settings like Dual SIM Always On. You have the option for SIM card security. And finally, you have the option for Lock eSIM. And this is how you can manage your SIM card manager settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.